Good morning, students. We have finished discussing the history of the internet, so now we go to the next topic, the internet's basic services. So here are some of the services provided by the internet. Communication services, information retrieval services, World Wide Web services, directory services, Usenet, newsgroup, and e-commerce. From the enumerated above, let us discuss those services one by one. So for number one, which is communication services. So communication is one of the most popular services of the internet. We use internet-based communication services to contact our families and friends on a daily basis. It is also known as internet telephony. So under communication services, we have instant messaging, email, and video conferencing. Instant messaging, or IM, is a type of online chat that offers text communication over the internet in real time. It is continuously becoming one of the fastest growing forms of internet communication services because of its real-time features. Some of the many instant messengers that are providing instant messaging are Facebook, Skype, Hangout, WhatsApp, WeChat, and others. So among those stated above, WhatsApp has the highest number of users actively engaging in this particular application. Next is email. This is, I think, the first service provided by the internet. Electronic mail, which is also known as email, is also one of the most popular services on the internet, which helps to exchange data like text, images, and videos. And in 1996, there were more email than postal mail being sent. So there are three important features of email. First, instant communications. It instantly sends your message in a matter of seconds. Number two, one-to-one or one-to-many communications. So you can send email to one person only, or you can send the same email content or message to many people. Number three, it is free and easily accessible. So users are only required to have an internet connection and sign up to an email service provider. So some of the most popular email service providers are Gmail, Microsoft Outlook, AOL, MSN, and Yahoo Mail. Now, we're going to look into the advantages of email. So first is, it is the cheapest and the fastest mail service. So because it's free and can take a little time to send a message. That's why. Second, we can send any form of data like text, image, videos through email. Okay? But do you know that from the year when email was created up to the late 1980s, messages are in text format? Not until in 1991, when multi-purpose Internet Mail Extension, or MIME, was proposed by Bell Communication as a standard in order to expand limited capabilities of email. It allows users to exchange different kinds of data files on the internet, such as audio, video, images, application, programs. Okay? Next is that same email can be sent to more than one person. Well, yes, same email can be sent to many recipients. Next is email can be read from anywhere in the world. Okay? So as long as you have the internet connection, your email address, your password, you're good to go. For the disadvantages of email, first we have that the recipients need to access the internet in order to receive email. Yes, without internet, you cannot send nor receive emails and it is only one of the downsides of email, because internet during 1980s to 1990s and early 2000s are so expensive. Next is viruses are easily spread via email attachments. Okay, yes, there are those emails with attachment that goes into your inbox, and once you click that attachment, the virus runs into your computer. Next one is phishing. Sending an email to a user falsely claiming to be a legitimate company to scam the user into providing information such as personal information and bank account numbers on a bogus website. So the details will then be used for identity theft. Okay. Next is there is no guarantee that mail will be read until the user logs on and checks their email. Okay. Next is spam. Spam is unsolicited or unwanted email. The third internet service under communication is video conferencing. Video conferencing is internet services where two or more people located in separate geographical locations do live audio-video communication. So it is a real-time conferencing services of the internet. So for proper functioning of the video conference, it may require a high bandwidth of the internet at the sender and receiver sides. The purpose of live video conferencing services is essential to emulate face-to-face conversations over the internet. So here are the basic requirements for performing good video conferencing. First, you have to have good internet connection at the sender and receiver sides. Next is webcams on both sides, computer screens, TV, projector for displaying video, good video conferencing software like WebEx Meeting, Click Meeting, Zoom, BlueJean, Skype, Google Meeting, etc. Okay, so I have tried looking for an online job, and employers do require job seekers to communicate with them through Skype or WhatsApp. So what are the pros and cons of video conferencing? Here is a list of some of the advantages and disadvantages of the video conferencing. Now, I need you to think of additional pros and cons, 2 of each, which I haven't mentioned in the lecture. So share your ideas in the comments section below. Thank you.